It's another wonderful day, guys. Ngayong hot summer day. Kahit tag-ulan na, andito pa rin tayo sa mga stockyard para samahan kayo na makahanap din ng inyong pinapangarap na sasakyan. For this episode, may Toyota Innova, Ford Ranger Raptor, Isuzu MU-X, BMW, Peugeot, Honda Brio, Toyota Avanza, 200,000 plus na sedan meron, Mitsubishi Montero Sport, Mitsubishi Adventure para sa inyong mga tito, Toyota Tamaraw Hilux, Toyota Vios. Handa ka na ba sa lahat ng yan? Ihahanap na kita ng pinapangarap mong sasakyan. Let's do this!
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
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 Umpisahan natin ang ating pasyal sa mga stockyard dito sa pinakamaraming nagpapahanap. Ayan o. Yan na yun. 2025 Toyota Innova 2.8 XE diesel automatic transmission, silver metallic, one color, 27,096 mileage, NCR registered na, diesel engine, 867,000 minimum bid price. Toyota Innova, napakalakas at napakabenta nitong unit na to. Grabe, multi-purpose vehicle, registered sa Toyota, NCR lang to, bikuta na unit. Ang kanyang LTO CR Las Piñas District Office lang oh. Ito lang, kapitbahay lang natin. Steel rims, stock tires, Yokohama, kapal pa. Baba lang mileage eh. 27,000, sisiyo na sisiyo yan sa diesel engine. Steel rims with hubcap. Sa loob, no signs of soil stains. Ayun pala yung permanent plate oh, NJF 3041. Kompleto ORCR, maintenance booklets, maayos ang manibela, automatic transmission, infotainment system, naka-plastic pa ang mga visors. Second row seats, walang soil stains. Third row seats, mukhang naupuan na pero malinis pa. Sa likod, rear wipers, light scratches, parang nasagi lang sa puno. Shark fin antenna, rear camera na high definition. Left side panels, makinis din, napakakinis na unit. Around 1.4 million, brand new price. Minimum bid dito 867,000 pesos lang. Baka nasa 1M pa to mapanalunan ah. Ayan, makinis na unit guys. Wala na tayong mahanap na issue dahil napakakinis nga naman niya. Ayan, last look na agad tayo para makapag-bid na kayo. This is a 2025 Toyota Innova 2.8 XE diesel automatic transmission, silver metallic, one color, 27,096 lang ang mileage, NCR registered na, diesel engine, 867,000 minimum bid price. Ayan oh, poging-pogi. Tuloy na natin, buti magkatabi lang, hindi na tayo lalayo dahil sobrang init ngayong araw na to. This is also up for bid, another 2025 Toyota Tamaraw Hilux 2.4 liter FX diesel, manual transmission pala ito, super white color, 30,222 mileage, non-NCR registered. Letter D, Cavite lang yan, hindi ka tatawid ng dagat. Diesel engine, 655,000 na lang and 350 minimum bid price. 900,000 pa ang brand new nito, guys. Steel rims. Stock mugs pa ba to? Bridgestone, yes. Around 90% red life pa yan. Ay, 2 RFIDs, mukhang pinunit, binaklas na. Bridgestone, ganda ng gulong. Steel rims. Tamaraw Hilux. Yun ang handle. Ring visors. Yun, may scratch lang dito. Pasaway yung mga gasoline boy. Minsan sasagi. Ay chip yung paint. Sa likod, may decals ni Air Jordan. With God, all things are possible. I agree all the time. Ayun, may mahabang scratch dito sa right side, guys. Oh, ang haba. Super haba. At super igsi na malalim. Hindi to gawa ng tao. Gawa ba yan ng hayop? Posible. Ay, dito rin, oh. Ano to? Haba, oh. Haba ng gas-gas, guys. Parang sign ng paghihiganti. May tint. As you can see inside, no signs of soil stains. Makinis na unit. Sa loob din, aninagin natin. Ayun, nandun pa yung mga seats. Buo pa. Kinis na unit. Ay, may mga gas-gas talaga, guys. So, ewan ko, parang may intention naman si first owner na i-repaint. Ayan, oh. Parang may touch and go. Ito yung pen na paint, pero ang dami. Parang lagi siyang ginagasgasan eh. Saan man siya nagpa-park. Anyway, yun, marami lang gas-gas na unit, guys. This is a manual transmission, pang negosyo. Maganda ang core engine dahil Toyota Hilux ang makina nito. This is a 2025 bagong-bago na Toyota Tamaraw Hilux 2.4 FX diesel manual transmission, super white 2 color, 30,000 mileage. Non-NCR registered within ano lang naman yan, Luzon. Diesel engine 655 and 350 minimum bid price from 900,000 na brand new price. Tuloy tayo dito sa cluster ng mga Toyota. Hindi pa lahat ito for bidding. Ay, iniikot lang natin yung available and nakalist for bidding this week. Ito, 7-seater pang pamilya. Pwede rin pang passenger. This is a 2024 Toyota Avanza E 1.3 CVT automatic transmission, dark red mica metallic color, 35,603 mileage. Non-NCR registered din, bandang Cavite lang rin to, guys, basta letter D. Gas engine 620,500 minimum bid price. Automatic transmission is around 1.1 million pesos. Brand new. Yan, walang declared issue, so makinis to for sure. Ikutin lang natin. Ayan, may dent lang yung plate, guys. Hindi nyo na may babalik yan. Permanent na yan na dent sa kanyang plaka. Light scratches, fog lamps. Dunlop stock tires and mugs pa, pero manipis na, around 70% red life. With rain visors. Dunlop and a save stock tires yan. Rear wipers, ayan, das mga guys. Oh. Shark's fin antenna, 2-eyed sensors, rear cameras. So far, light scratches. Rear bumper. Yan lagi nasasagi, guys, eh, yung bumper. Yan, oh. So bihira yung walang light scratch talaga pag repo car. Yan, oh, meron. Oh, may NS o ano pa, oh, birth certificate pa si first owner na iwan, pero mukhang duplicate copy naman, so no worries. Maayos ang front grille, front fascia. Ay, parang repainted. Oo, parang repainted na yung front bumper, guys, kasi may signs nung first coating ng paint. May light na touch. Last look, wala akong mahanap na issue. Wala rin declared issue. Yun lang, may bump sa front plate number and light scratches sa mga bumpers. Possibly repainted pero hindi halata. Not in the naked eye. At sa naked eye at scrutinizing eyes ni Tito Rich, hindi halata. 2024 Toyota Avanza E 1.3 CVT automatic transmission, dark red mica metallic, 35,603 mileage, gas engine 620,500 na lang minimum bid price from 1.1 million yan guys. Brand new. Toyota Hiace, abangan natin. Toyota Rush, pakita ko lang guys yung mga abangan nyo in the upcoming weeks para wag na kayo mag-subscribe at notification bell. Avanza, may Innova pa dito, may Veloz, yan yung mga yun, may Veloz pa doon na mas pogi, daming Vios, madaming Avanza. Yan, makikita natin yan pag in-enlist na nila in the upcoming weeks. Pero for now, pasasabikin ko muna kayo. So it's up to you. Mag-notification ba ako, magsusubscribe kay Tito Rich, bahala ka na. Kahit wag na. Para ma-miss out mo lahat yan. Toyota Vios up for bid ito this week. This is a 2025 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, dents and scratches. Silver metallic 1 color, 39,048 mileage, NCR registered na guys. Gas engine 450,500 minimum bid price. Ayan, poging unit din to. NCR registered no. Ganda oh, parang white siya sa malayo pero silver metallic color siya. Naka steel rims lang pala ito. XLE. Ba't naka steel rims? Alam ko XE yung naka steel rims eh. Yokohama tires. Vios 2-eyed sensors, rear camera, shark fin antenna, Toyota Valenzuela ang kasa, rain visors, parang flat, ayun flat nga yung rear tires. Left side panels makinis naman, ayun marami lang scratch itong right side ng bumper. Ay ito pala ang haba oh. Mahabang hiwa sa right side ng front bumper. May 2 RFIDs na. Andun yung maintenance booklets, warranty, no signs of soil stains. Right side panels makinis din. Kaya naka-hubcap to pag binenta yung mas. Ito lang guys, right side maraming gas. Palang makinis pala dun sa kanan eh, no? Kasi dun tayo pumuesto. Pero sa side na to makinis, right side nandun yung mga scratches and mga minor issues. Last look, this is a 2025 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, dents and scratches, silver metallic 1 color, 39,048 mileage, NCR registered na, gas engine 450,500 minimum bid price 900,000 na yan guys. Brand new ng Toyota Vios. Ay meron pala ditong Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Mas mura kaysa Vios, pero Japanese car din naman, matipid sa gas, mas matipid to sa Vios. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G manual transmission. Deep scratches on the rear bumper, titanium gray metallic, 13,612 mileage, non-NCR registered, Cavite area, gas engine 345,040 minimum bid price. Yung iba mas gusto yung manual eh, mas matipid daw. May dalawang RFIDs, manipis ang gulong, around 70% red life. Sa likod daw ang mga issue and scratches, ayun nga oh. Rear bumper, scratches, mahabang antena, yan yung gusto natin. Uy, ano yun? May gold oh. Ang swerte ng makakabid nito at makakapanalo nito guys. May ginto. Kung tunay o japake, ewan ko. Tingnan nyo na lang pag kayo ang nanalo. Yan, no? Ito nga, may mahabang scratch. Mukhang repainted din yung bumper, guys. Medyo iba yung kulay niya sa body, eh. Yun, repainted unit. No signs of soil stains. Ayan, sinisilip natin yan, guys, eh. Kasi pag soil stain, ibig sabihin posibleng binaha yung unit, diba? Yun, minor scratches, non-NCR registered pero hindi natawid dagat. Cavite lang to. May libreng ginto, original o japake, kayo na lang ang tumuklas. 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G manual. Deep scratches on the rear bumper, titanium gray metallic, 13,612 mileage, non-NCR registered gas engine, 345,000 minimum bid price. Yan. Flash ko na lang on your screens, guys, yung iba pang Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na up for bidding din yan this week. Just in case hindi natin mahanap. Very honest naman si Security Bank in declaring issues of the unit if there is any. Kaya ito yung bank na pinagkakatiwalaan natin. Wala akong affiliation sa kanila, guys, ha. Dito lang talaga ako mas maraming na-feature na sasakyan kasi sila yung very accommodating and very honest din sa kanilang declaration ng mga issues. And dito ako nakabili nga ng murang second hand na sasakyan. Kaya dito na ako lagi tumitingin-tingin. Yan. This is a Peugeot unit. Luxury car.
French, Peugeot, English, Peugeot, just kidding, Peugeot, Peugeot, Peugeot.
So yun ang tamang pronunciation, guys. Peugeot. So tayo sa English, Peugeot ang basa natin, but this is a 2023 Peugeot 5008 1.6 liter new edition THP active automatic transmission, Amazonte gray color, 8,606 mileage, NCR registered na gas engine, 1,081,600 minimum bid price from almost 2 million brand new price, guys. NCR registered na. Ayan, 5008. Ang ganda ng front grille and front fascia, oh. Dito pa lang mamamangha ka na. Ayan, no? 5008. At ang kanyang logo na ano ba yan? Bear or tiger? Crossbreed. Ang ganda ng front grille and front fascia. Yung tipong pwedeng umuupo ka na lang sa harap niya tapos mamemesmerize ka na sa parang labyrinth puzzle ng kanyang fascia. 2 RFIDs. Grabe yung may-ari nito. Siguro ang yaman-yaman na pero na-repossess pa rin. 22555 R18V Continental tires. Ang laki. Stock mags. Mahirap ibenta yan dahil bihira yung may ganito. Kaya hindi mo pwede kahoy-kahoyin yan. Walang bibili sa'yo. Bihira yung may Peugeot. Yan, ang ganda. Andun lahat ng RFIDs. Push to stop na yung brake. Sparco yung kanyang seat belt. Infotainment system ala Toyota Avanza. Aircon vents, passenger side, second row seats, at may third row seats pala to, synthetic leather material din. Rear wipers, may big size na rear cams, 5008 Peugeot. Naamoy na naman akong pampaswerte dito, sana hindi ako nakatapak. Rear wipers, ang kinis. 2 4-eyed sensors, ayan, nasa ilalim. Left side panels ang kinis. 7-seater pala to. May third row seats din. Third row, second row, and first row. Ang laki rin ng driver seating. 2 RFIDs na. Peugeot LED technology, daytime running lights. May front cameras ba to? Silipin natin. Wala akong makita eh. Pero yon mukhang ano to. Parang Honda Sensing. Honda Sensing na camera. Yun, last look. Peugeot 5008. This is a 2023 1.6 liter new active variant, automatic transmission. Amazonite Gray, 8,606 mileage. NCR registered na gas engine, 1,081,600 from a 2 million plus brand new price unit. Yun. Continuously flashing on your screens more Mitsubishi Mirage G4 units up and available for bidding this week. And a glimpse of some units na up for bidding in the upcoming weeks. Ayan. Rap. Oo nga eh. Mangingitim ka na naman. Ito naman guys, yung Suzuki Ertiga 2024. Up for bidding din ito this week, oh. GL automatic transmission, metallic magma gray 2 color, 18,030 mileage. NCR registered na hybrid, 560,250 minimum bid price. Yan, green plate, so legit na hybrid, approved ni LTO. Hybrid. 2-eyed sensors. Walang rear cam. Wala, no? Walang rear cam guys. Left side panels, ayun, light scratch. Nasa harap yung antenna, 2-eyed walang 2 RFIDs. Front grille, front fascia, okay naman, walang gasgas. Stock mugs and tires, Dunlop, and a Save EC300 plus yan, no? This is 185/65 R15. Oh, kasing laki lang pala ng Mirage ang ano nito. Gulong. VVT matipid dahil hybrid. Light scratches dito sa right side panel. Maintenance booklets, seats and floor mats, no signs of soil stains, hindi binaha. Second row seats, buong buo pa. Third row seats, bihira gamitin. Yun, wala masyadong gasgas, light scratches lang, hindi halata. Madumi lang, parang inaakitan ng mga pusa. Last look. 7-seater pang pamilya Japanese car na 2024 Suzuki Ertiga GL automatic transmission, metallic magma gray 2 color, 18,030 mileage. NCR registered na hybrid, 560,250 pesos minimum bid price. Exempted ka sa coding yan sa NCR, oh. Kahit anong araw ka lumabas. Honda BRV. Brio pala yung up for bidding this week. Flashing on your screens guys kung meron pang space yung mga Mitsubishi Mirage G4 natin na up for bidding this week. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo dyan. To be flashed on your screens. Hyundai Stargazer, ito na ba? Up for bidding this week. 990A. Stargazer Silver ang up for bidding this week. Hindi ito. Up for bidding lang ang ating binibisita at iniikot. Kasi pag di pa siya up for bidding, kahit nakita nyo, tulad nito, dami nagtatanong, G-Tour T3, di pa yan up for bidding. Abangan nyo na lang. Kaya wag na kayo mag-subscribe at notification bell para pag pinost yan ni Tito Rich ay ma-miss out nyo. Kayo din, di ba? So nasa sa inyo. Ayaw kong mamilit eh. Subscribe ka or hindi, okay lang. Notification. Ayun, mag-notification ka man o hindi, okay lang yan. Sasayo na yan. Ma-miss out mo ang ating mga post every week. Mga best finds na sasakyan. Like this one, a 2023 Honda Brio 1.2V CVT automatic transmission, taffeta white color, 5,452 lang mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 470,000 lang and 610 minimum bid price. So around almost 900,000 ang brand new price. Front grille, front fascia, buong buo pa. Region 4B registered unit. Gateway. Gulong medyo manipis na. Ilan na ba mileage nito? 5,000 pa lang stock mugs and tires. Rain visors. LTO registered unit maintenance booklets. Muntinlupa registered. Rear wipers babala, wag kang atat, makakalusot ka rin. Yan yung mga sticker na ayaw ko ilagay kasi mapapaaway ka talaga dyan sa mga ganyang banat. Dapat kalmado lang ating mga sticker, religious sticker, para gumagaan yung loob ng ating mga katabing motorista. Two-eyed sensors, check. Rear wipers, check. Binaklas yung antena, bili ka sa Shopee, check. Si dad, si mom at si dog, yun, good luck. Ang nagwiwi si dog sa loob ng car, posible. Makinis ang rear, kinis ang sides. Dunlop stock mugs and tires, and visors, okay. Yan, mahirap rin maintain ng puti guys sa konting, yan, tulad yan ka-acid rain. So nag-itim-itim siya, kailangan niya na yung ipabuff. Last look for all the ladies in the house. Perfect na perfect ito kasi madali maniobra, i-U-turn, madali i-drive, especially for ladies or first time 4 wheels car owners. This is a 2023 Honda Brio 1.2V CVT automatic transmission, taffeta white color, 5,452 mileage, NCR registered na, gas engine, 470,610 minimum bid price. Ayan, puntahan natin yung mga pick up for bidding this week. Ayun, ito na ba yun? Na-feature ko na sa ating previous episode. Mahilig kasi ako magtutungtong sa mga pick-up. Yan ang aking trademark. Ito na ba yun? 984A Ford Ranger Next Gen Raptor. Ito na nga kulay pa lang, nahanap ko na. This is a 2024 Ford Ranger Next Generation 2.0 liter Raptor 4x4 10 speed automatic, code orange color, 116,886.6 mileage. Grabe, layo na ng tinakbo. So ayan guys, para dun sa nagsasabi guys na bakit may 0.00 pa yung mileage, ayan, kinokopya ko lang. At ganyan naka-accurate yung digitalized na mga sasakyan ngayon. Pati decimal point, meron na kasi yan sa mileage guys. Kaya yan, merong 0.00 na yung mga mileage ngayon. CCE, Central Luzon Registered Unit. Diesel engine, 1,535,500 minimum bid price. From 2.2 to 2 million, brand new yan guys. 500,000 ang inyong natipid sa minimum bid price. Ayan. 4-eyed sensors, walang gas-gas yung front grille at front fascia. Sorry, 6-eyed sensors pala to guys. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, ayun, 6. Nabuo natin. Performance LED, daytime running lights, cruise control sensors. May sensor pa doon. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. At ito yung sinasabi kong gulong guys, oh. BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. Grabe tong gulong na to. 15,000 ang isa. Hanggang pangarap ka na lang ba? 285/70 R17 pa lang yan ha. Pero ang laki na oh. Parang R20. Yan ang pangarap ng mga may pick up guys na gulong. Kahit ako hanggang ngayon pinapangarap ko pa rin yan. Dahil very ang ganda nga naman at ang pogi. Pero maraming mas mura kasi sa kanya to the point na nagiging impractical na yung price. Kasi made in USA pa yan eh. 6-eyed sensors rin sa rear. May dalawang nose pierce na parang bull. May tow hitch. Poging-pogi talaga ng Ford Ranger Raptor. Pick up bed 9 out of 10. Pang city driving lang to ni first owner. Ito yung mga 12 volt socket, 220 up to 400 amperes. Ganda, ang kinis na unit. Ganda rin ang pwesto niya dito. Walang gagas-gas sa kanya. Tail lights, walang gasgas, walang bangga. Blind spot radar. OMG. Kaya lang sa dami ng sensors at alarm na to, di mo lang alam kung ano yung nagwa-warning sign. Ford Ranger garnish. Leather seats. Unang langhap ni Tito Rich. Ha, ang bango. Alam mo yung ano, amoy Clorox. Parang nasanitize siya. Ganda ng second row seats, synthetic leather. Ang laki ng infotainment system guys. Ang lapad oh. 4-wheel drive, 2H, 4L, 4A, 4H. Manibela. Ang ganda talaga ng Ford Ranger Raptor. American car, maluwag. Last look. Last look na. Kahit ayaw natin siyang iwanan. Ang ganda-ganda. Pogi-pogi. Ang pogi mo. 2024 Ford Ranger Next Gen 2 liter BT Raptor 4x4 10 speed automatic. Code orange color. 116,886.6 mileage. Non-NCR registered, Central Luzon lang yan. Diesel engine, 1,535,500 pesos minimum bid price from 2 million to 2.2. I'm not sure kung ano yung exact price ng ganyang variant, pero around that range. Yun, pupogi ng mga na-vlog natin na units today. Pati tayo na in love sa kapugian ng mga units na yan. Geely. Wala, puro MG guys yung up for bid this week. Flash ko na lang on your screens yung mga MG na up for bidding this week. Hindi nyo naman nire-request. Kaya wag ko na isa-isahin. Pero marami yan, MG. MG here, MG there. H100 Stargazer. Yan, yung mga Mitsubishi L300, ang dami na rin dito guys. Yan. 8843 na NIU. 8843. Flash ko na lang on your screens. Mitsubishi L300 up for bidding this week. 7133. Yan yung mga Mitsubishi L300 up for bidding yan this week, guys. Check nyo na lang yung details, mileage, minimum bid price, nandyan. Ford Territory na blue metallic.
Take exit 45. In 500 meters, your destination will be on the right.
So guys, we are at the Calamba Stockyard ng Security Bank. Ayan o, ang dami o. Triton, Expander, MG, Race, Mirage, Accent, Vios. Ayan, dami rin tumitingin. Marami ring mga sasakyan na scrap. Tuloy natin, guys, dito sa Calamba Stockyard. Nandito tayo ngayon. Kasama natin si Chip, very accommodating and assisting us. So tuloy-tuloy tayo. XL7 Suzuki. Ayan, details flashing on your screens, guys. NCR registered na to. Ganda ng kulay. Beige brown. Ayan, sir. Sige po. Thank you, Chip. Fog lamps, check. Fenders, check. Stock mugs and tires. Dunlop yan. Na save, oh. Kapal pa, guys. Around 80% red light. Drain visors, roof rail. XL7 hybrid ng Suzuki. Rear wipers, 2-eyed sensors and rear cam na heavy duty or high definition. Bahala na kayo. Yun, ang ganda din ng seats. No signs of soil stains. Hindi to binaha. Wala pang RFID, oh. All panels makinis, guys. Kapal pa ng gulong. So low mileage pa to, guys. Siguro makikita nyo yan flashing on your screens. Suzuki XL7 NCR registered. Ganda pati ng numero, 5387, walang 4. Ganda ng kulay. Ang pogi, oh. Details flashing on your screens. No signs of flooding. Walang scratch, almost perfect na unit. Makinis na makinis. Two-tone, ganda ng kulay. Move on tayo sa pickup. Wow, ang pogi nitong puting pickup. Ay, may tama. Ayan, oh. Honest issue. Kita na agad natin. NCR registered na Nissan Navara. Puti. May bangga lang sa harap. Front bumpers. Acrylic plastic naman yan. Tutunawin lang yan. Dunlop Grand Trek. Stock tires. Stock mugs pa to. DOT 2024. This is a 255-65 R17 110H. Poging-pogi ng gulong. Walang roof rail to guys, though bihira naman gamitin. Pick up bed 9 out of 10. Walang gas-gas masyado. Mukhang pang city driving lang. Kaya alam mo, walang pick up bed liner no dito. Ganun na pala ang pick up bed ngayon, parang tinipid. Wala nang mga liner na rubber doon. Rear cams, check. Rear bumper, walang gas-gas. Taillights, buo pa. Gandang unit, puting-puti. Nissan Calibre. This is the automatic transmission. Interior, ayun, kita ko yung mga maintenance booklets. Uy, parang nabingkong to. Pero buo pa naman. Parang may galos-galos lang. Yan guys, details flashing on your screens. Wala ako nakitang issue. Makinis yung pickup bed. Sa ibang panels, one panel lang ang may issue. Ito, may bangga, front bumper. Yun lang. Wala na, makinis na unit. Bukod dyan, NCR registered pa. Kapal pa ng gulong. 95% red life. Stock mags and stock tires pa yan. Walang roof rail nga lang, pero bihira rin naman gamitin yun. Puting-puti na pick up, napaka-pogi. Kayo nang maglagay ng accessories na gusto nyo. Last look, details flashing on your screens. As I've said, wala akong dalang list. Napadaan lang talaga ako dito sa Security Bank Stockyard for this week. Dito sa Calamba Warehouse. Ayan puro malalaking truck. Marami ding na. Pero pinapabid din to, di ba?
Automark po. Ay, ano pala, sa tao po yan.
Okay. Guys, tayo. Security Bank Calamba Warehouse. Ito yung isang Mitsubishi Mirage G4 DBU 2175 GLX. Leather seats, pogi automatic transmission. May Mountain Dew po. Details flashing na lang on your screens guys. Actually wala akong dalang GoPro ngayon. Napadaan lang kami dito sa Laguna kaya dinaanan ko na. Ayun, light scratches sa rear. I'll be flashing on your screens na lang yung mga details. Hindi ko nababasahin pero at least naikutan natin. Ayan. May libreng pa camera si first owner. Gulong niya makapal pa to. 90% red life. Yung harap ang nipis na. 60% red life. Di pa nagpop ang tow hitch. Pero mukhang muntik magpop. DBU Cavite registered unit. Yun dito may light. UP. Pero ang ganda ng leather seats guys. Interiors, no signs of soil stains. Putok nga lang yung isang leather seats drivers. Leather seat, ayun bigat ang puwet ni driver. Yun, may RFIDs. Iniwan ni first owner. Dalawa. Pa-shark's fin antenna na. Right side panels, walang problema. Pero parang repainted. May mga stains nung paint. Pero yun lang, may bump. There is a bump. Left side panels, okay, makinis. Sobrang nipis nga lang ng gulong talaga, guys. 50% red light itong kaliwa. Then light scratch yung rear bumper. DBU 2175. Details flashing on your screens. May dalawang RFID na. Ayun lang. Ito lang yung major. Light scratch lang sa rear. Tsaka yan. And manipis yung dalawang gulong. Details flashing on your screens. First time natin makapunta dito sa Calamba warehouse. Ang hirap hanapin. Pero napuntahan natin. Dami ring sasakyan dito. Pangan natin in the upcoming weeks. Ewan ko kung makakabalik ako dito. Layo ay Calamba. Nissan Urban. Suzuki Espresso. Siyempre maraming Mitsubishi Mirage. Uy, ang ganda. May pula na Toyota Innova. Ford Ranger Raptor na blue. Yun ang may nakita ko doon. Ito yung Mitsubishi Expander na red, up for bidding din this week. I think this is an Expander. Yes, merong roof rail, NCR registered. Ang daming dumi-dumi. Natatanggal, guys. Tagal lang natambay siguro sa open parking. Replace na ang kanyang tires. Ay, puro crack pa ang tire wall, Palitan nyo na yan. Hindi na yan safe itakbo. Pa-stock mugs pa. Roof rail, rain visors, garnish, push button. Unang langhap. Neutral lang amoy. Hindi mabango, hindi rin stinky. Mukhang pinasok ng tubig pero hindi inabot ng mataas na baha. Infotainment system check. Uy, 3 RFID. Nag all-in-one na yan. Si first owner for sure. Ganda, red na red. Daming garnish. Second row seats, maayos. Third row seats, ayan, kita nyo naman. Kung hindi pa nagamit. Puro garnish, alagang-alaga. Expander na red, ayun, may rear cams. Shark fin antenna, rear wipers. Roof rail. Ganda, may fender flares pa. Kaya lang kinahoy-kahoy ang gulong, guys. May mga crack yung mga sidewall ng gulong. Pero naka-stock mugs pa. Right side panels, okay, makinis. Ayan, last look. Details, flashing on your screens. Wala akong dalang GoPro. Wala rin akong dalang list. I-add ko na lang sa aking editing. Pero yan, magandang unit. Yung puti nandun. Thank you po. NCR registered na. Parang binaha lang to, guys. Pero hindi naman inabot. Or hindi tumagal. Hindi mabaho Parang na-drain din agad. Ang dami kasing soil stains, maputik. Ito, ang pogi. Yung white. Yun, Ford Ranger Raptor. Abangan natin the upcoming weeks. Ewan ko kung makakabalik ako dito. Bahala na. Pag hinatid ko ulit sa UPLB ang aking bunso. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, mag-commute na lang siya dahil napakalayo. KBB. Non-NCR registered. Ang ganda. Puting-puti. Pearl white, I think. Or white diamond color. Details flashing on your screens na lang, guys. Naka-stock mugs pero hindi na to stock tires. Kinahoy-kahoy din. Bridgestone yung isa. Naka-leather seats din, guys. Infotainment system. May plastic pa. May magnet pa dito. Lagayan ng inyong cellphone. Auto hold. Push button na yan, guys. Gandang unit. Amoy sinauna. Parang amoy pomada ni first owner. Ito. Ito pala ang pabango ni first owner, Glade. May plastic pa, mga visors. May plastic pa, infotainment system. Leather seats, maayos pa, walang putok. Putok meaning tastas, hindi putok na amoy. Ito pala ang legit na expander cross. Rear wiper, shark fin antenna, two-tone na rin ito na expander cross. Ang ganda, ang pogi. May roof rails. High definition na camera. Fenders, may mga scratch. Push button, chrome door handles, walang mga garnish, mas alaga yung isa, puro garnish yung pula. Pero ito naman walang gasgas. Maayos na unit. Details flashing on your screens. Non-NCR unit nga lang. Andyan na yung mileage. Minimum bid price. Dito lang yan sa Calamba Stockyard. Na first time natin napuntahan ngayon. Nasamahan kayo ni Tito Rich sa Calamba, oh. Puti na lang may hinatid ako sa Los Baños. Kaya tayo nakapamasyal dito sa Calamba Stockyard. Asan pa ba yung iba? Nikot na tayo ni Manong. Mas magaling yung guard dito. I-assist ka talaga. Ito ba yung XL7? Chip, ito yung XL7. Dito. Mas madali maghanap. Inaano na niya eh. Tinutulungan na niya tayo. XL7. Pero well arranged and sorted ang kanilang mga units dito. Malinis din kasi cement yung dinadaanan. Hindi siya putik. Kaya kahit umulan, bumagyo, hindi maliliparan ng dumi at putik. So, ayun. Plus merong Suzuki Espresso ba? Yan, abangan natin the upcoming weeks. Toyota Vios, marami din. L300 vans. Hyundai Stargazer. Mitsubishi Montero Sport, Mitsubishi Triton, Honda BRV, ayan, kompleto. Avanza, XL7, parang dami XL7 dito. Mirage marami. Vios marami din. Pero Mirage pinakamarami. Hyundai, Nissan or van. Ayan, abangan nyo. Ford Territory, Toyota Corolla Cross. Ayan, abangan natin the upcoming weeks kung mapapadaan pa tayo dito. Toyota Avanza. Ayan, nasa bungad at si Jeep. That's it guys here at the Calamba warehouse. Till next week. God bless. Security Bank Stockyard pa rin guys. Dito sa 8390 Sukat Road, Barangay San Antonio, Parañaque City. Warehouse 8 out of 10 nila ito. 10 ang warehouse nila. Ito ay isa lamang sa kanilang warehouse. This is a Toyota Vios 2024. Yan o. 2024 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission. Deep scratches on the front bumper and left rear door. Tingnan natin mamaya. Blackish red mica color. 51,000 mileage. Non-NCR registered. Cavite lang yan. Gas engine 408,000 minimum bid price. Ayan. Front bumper daw, scratches. Ayan nga guys. Very honest declaration ng mga issue. Toyota Lucena. Ang kasa ng unit. Importante rin yan guys. Malaman nyo kung saan yung kasa para kung meron pang mga pending na documents, pwede nyo mahingi sa kasa. At this mileage, medyo pudpud na yung gulong. Around 60% red life. Pero naka-stock mags and tires pa yan, no? Yokohama Decibel. Hindi pa kinakikay ang gulong, manipis lang. Unang langhap. May slight signs of soil stains ang flooring. Parang hindi naman nababara ng baha. Pero ayun nga, oh, mukha nga guys. Kikita nyo kung super dumi yung carpets. There's a high probability na binaha. Ayan guys, na unit. Yan, parang dito na nakatira si first owner, ah. Yung seats walang signs na inabot ng baha. Advanced electrolyte drink, mukhang runner si first owner, ah. Maraming tubig at liquids. Maayos second row seats. 2-eyed sensors, rear camera, check. Lahat ng bagong Vios, may ganyan na. Ay, super pudpud ang rear tires. Super pudpud guys, 50% red life na lang yan. Left side panels, makinis. Yung harap lang talaga na bumper, may mga gas-gas. Pero hindi naman malalim. Yun, kompleto ang tools. Ayun, gulong, bagong bago. Ay, nagamit na rin, medyo pudpud na. Pero at least may spare tire, may tools. Na isasara. Malamya lang ang hampas ni Tito Rich. Shark's fin antenna check. Let's check the engine kung inabot ba dito ng baha. Kasi yung interiors mayroong signs ng soil stains. Ay, mukhang inabot din pero hindi nagtagal. Ayan, oh, may mga tilansik guys. May light oxidation na rin yung kanyang parts ng engine, pero tingnan natin. Solid na solid naman to. Ayan, medyo maitim na yung langis. Dapat kasi pag gas engine, malinaw. So, kailangan ng ipa-PMS pag na-award sa inyo to. You know, no signs of engine leaks kasi ideal pa yung levels nung oil, pati coolant. Yan, ideal levels pa. Yun lang, marami lang splash dito sa engine. Yun. Posible, pero mababaw lang. At least nakita natin. Diba? Pero Toyota yan guys, madali yan ipa-PMS, madali ipalinis, madali paayos. This is a 2024 Toyota Vios XLE CVT, automatic, deep scratches, front bumper and left rear door. Left rear door. Ito. Ayun, yun lang. Grabe talaga mag-declare si Security Bank. Very accurate and honest. So yun, blackish red mica color, hindi nakakaumay na kulay. Mileage niya 51 plus or 51 plus. Non-NCR registered. Lucena, Cavite lang yan. / Cavite. Gas engine. Minimum bid 408,000 pesos. Brand new nito guys, nasa 900,000 pesos na. Okay, move on tayo. Yan, abangan nyo in the upcoming weeks. Toyota Innova, papabid na rin nila yan. X-Force, may Navara doon na pula, poging pogi. May Nissan Urban, Ford Everest na puti, poging pogi rin yun. Abangan natin in the upcoming weeks. Move on tayo sa sedan. Up for bidding to this week, isa sa pinakamurang sedan napabid dito pa rin sa Security Bank, Dr. A. Santos na warehouse nila guys along Sukat Road. 2020 ito, Hyundai Reyna 1.4 GL. 4-speed automatic transmission, gas engine. Dent and scratches on trunk, door, and rear bumper. Silver color, 76,000 mileage. Non-NCR registered, letter F. Gas engine. Sa presyong brand new NMAX lang, oh. 249,000 pesos minimum bid price. Yan. So, ganyan pag non-NCR registered. Kaya ako sinasabi yan, guys. Yung encumbrance niyan, pupuntahan nyo pa or ipapaprocess nyo kung saan region. So, Kumho stock tires and mugs pa to, kaya lang medyo manipis na, around 70% red life. Sorry, hindi pala mugs, naka steel rims lang na may hubcap. Pag mugs kasi guys, ganyan. Pag steel rims, ayan, black lang yan na bakal. Ang issue dito daw sa rear trunk, ayun nga, oh. Ba't ba lahat ng Hyundai Reyna dyan may tama? So, ayan. 1 panel, 2 panels. Good luck kay Manong Latero. Hindi kaya ng pintor lang to. Honest to goodness issues declared by Security Bank. At inikot din natin. Napakita natin yan sa inyo every week. Pero ang ganda ng kulay na to. Very nice color. Korean car yan, hindi China car. So in terms of quality, I would say in between siya ng Japanese at Chinese, di ba? Last look, this is a 2020 Hyundai Reyna 1.4 liter, mas malaki kesa sa Mirage at sa Toyota Vios. 4-speed automatic gas engine. Dent and scratches on the trunk and the rear bumper. Yan, pinakita natin. Silver color. 76,000 plus mileage. Kaya pala manipis ng gulong. Non-NCR registered gas engine. 249,000 na lang minimum bid price. Kung gusto nyo naman ng NCR registered, mas maliit nga lang makina. Pero Japanese car yan. This is the Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Anong year? LAQ. Ito yun. 2025. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, deep scratches on the rear bumper. Titanium gray metallic. 46,000 mileage. Non-NCR registered gas engine 300. Kumaaninag, ang dilim kasi dito. 64 and 800 pesos minimum bid price. Anong declared issue niya? Deep scratches on the rear bumper lang. Yun. Di pa nagpop ang tow hitch. Mindanao registered na unit. Mga higala na to diya sa Mindanao. Murag para sa imuha na ni. Unang langhap. May signs ng pinasok ng tubig. Ayan, mababaw. Kita nyo yung mga carpets, guys. Mayroong stains. Pero yung seats, minor stains. O hindi naman nag-absorb ng tubig at baha. Tingnan natin ang makina. Tingnan natin ang spare tire. Yun. Ang mga light scratches lang, guys, sa rear bumper. Ayun. May jack. May spare tire. Parang walang tools. Yan talaga, guys. Donut na ang mga spare tire ngayon ng Mitsubishi Mirage. Right side panels. Ayun, flat lang yung gulong. Manipis. Around 60% red life na yung gulong. Pero stock pa yan. Naka-stock mugs and stock tires pa. Tingnan natin ang makina. May unang signs na tayo ng binaha sa loob. May mga soil stains. Makina. Okay naman pala. Kung hindi inabot sa makina, mababaw lang yung tinamo na baha. Okay yung fluids, Motolite battery, gold. Check natin ang oil levels at quality. Ayun, within ideal levels, but the quality is very dark. Kailangan nyo ng IPA PMS. Pero maayos ang engine, guys. Hindi inabot. Kung may theory man tayo na binaha, the engine is safe. Hindi inabot guys. Yung loob lang. Carpets, papalinis nyo lang naman yan. Then minor lang yung ano, gas-gas. Hindi obvious. Pero ang pinaka challenging part, this is a non-NCR registered unit. Mga higala na to diya sa Mindanao. Murag para sa inyuhan na ni. Pwede rin naman dito sa NCR ito ibenta. Last look on this 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, deep scratches on the rear bumper, titanium gray metallic, 46,000 mileage, non-NCR registered, gas engine, 364,000, and may 800 pa talaga, oh. Minimum bid price. Ayan. So tapos na tayo sa Mirage, sa Reyna, sa Vios. Ayun yung isa pang Mirage guys. Ito MBD 8789. Yan. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, deep scratches on the rear bumper, titanium gray metallic, 46,999 mileage. Oh, yung isa pala guys, sorry, 11,695 mileage lang. Sorry, this one is 11,695 mileage. This is the 2024. Kanina yung 2025. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT, deep scratches on the left rear fender, titanium gray metallic, 11,695 mileage. Gas engine, non-NCR registered, then 315,400 lang minimum bid price. Oh. Fender. Ayun, may scratch dito. May scratch din dito sa rear bumper. Yun lang, minor, very minor guys. Minor lang ang mga scratch natin ngayon. Lang langhap. Naka deep dish matting na, oh. Unang langhap, may soil stains ang seats. Pahala na kayo mag-interpret kung bakit. May deep dish matting na libre, ang ganda. No signs of major flooding. Check natin ang kanyang spare tire. Mahal na ng spare tire ngayon. 4,000. Early warning device check. Tools check. Ang ganda ng spare tire. Yokohama na Blue Earth po. Never been touched, never been used. Ganda ng mga ganyan eh. Pag kompleto na, wala ka na talagang bibilihin na dagdag accessories. Kaya okay itong unit na to. Yan, okay rin yung engine. Hindi naman binaha. May stains lang, siguro mababaw lang. Ayun, medyo okay pa yung oil color, oh. Okay rin yung oil level. Kita nyo sa indicator. Motolite gold batteries, coolant levels check. No signs of oil stains. No signs of major oxidation. Pa-engine wash lang yan. Back to normal na yan and back to brand new. Last look. Correction, ito na. Sasabihin ko na yung pinakatamang description. Kung nagkapalit-palit kanina. Ito na ang tamang description. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission. Deep scratches on the left rear fender. Titanium gray metallic, 11,695 lang mileage. Kaya pala virgin na virgin pang itsura. Non-NCR registered nga lang, gas engine 315,400 minimum bid price. Very fresh unit guys. Kailangan lang pakintabin at i-car wash. Pero covered parking dito. Yun ang kagandahan. Toyota Innova. Abangan nyo in the upcoming weeks. X-Force. Honda Pilot to Pilot ba to? BRV. Bago. Mukha na siyang Pilot. Calibre X. Grabe to. Black. Tapos ginagyan ng orange. Savannah orange na door. Mukha na aksidente. Pinalitan. At least buo, diba? For repainting. Cheap. Okay na. Thank you. Ayun. Yan yung mga abangan natin in the upcoming weeks pag pinublish na ni Security Bank. Kaya wag na kayo mag-subscribe at notification bell para ma-miss out ninyo yung magagandang units. So, Fortuner, ang kintab, ang kapal ng gulong, wala pa yan this week. Abangan natin in the upcoming weeks. So guys, ito yung mga cars available sa Ride Again. Bank repo cars din ito guys. Merong 2018 BMW 218i. Ayan wala nang bidding. The amount is 1,050,000. Automatic transmission 2018, 75,432 mileage. Automatic transmission, white color, NCR registered na. May luxury car ka na. At 1,050,000 pesos. Yan, pogi. Ka-stock mags pa ng BMW. Gulong makapal pa. Around 90% red life. Konting buffing lang at retouch. Parang ano pala to, 7-seater ng BMW. Yan. Hapyawan lang natin yung mga cars na available dito. You can open the app, Ride Again. Then check nyo doon, nandun na yung mga presyo. Bagong stockyard lang rin to guys na na-discover natin. Inibitahan tayo ng may-ari dito para i-feature yung magagandang sasakyan na available. Pwedeng cash, pwedeng installment. Ito yung madali talaga makuha sa installment kasi nagpapa-installment sila. Tuloy natin dito. Montero Sport. Punta ka lang sa app. Ayan Ride Again app. Then isi-search natin ang Montero. ...2024 Montero Sport pala ito. Check natin ang plate. LAN. Check. This is the LAN 9636. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Montero Sport. 1,360,000 pesos. Brand new nito guys. Nasa 1.8 million pesos. GLS 2024 automatic diesel jet black mica color, non-NCR registered. Available for installment pala to, 45,000 monthly for 36 months. Kapal pa ng gulong. Dunlop Grand Trek, stock tires and mugs. Around 90% red life. Kailangan lang uli ng buffing. Merong roof rail, rain visors, chrome door handles. Unang langhap, ang bango. Second row seats, third row seats, infotainment system, ang ganda, buong buo. Ang linis at ang bango pa sa loob guys. Kapal din ng mga gulong 2024 lang to. GLS 2M na yata to. Kapal pa lahat ng gulong. Walang gas-gas, walang bangga. Pa-buffing nyo na lang kasi hindi naka-car wash dito. And non-NCR registered din to guys. Last look. Cash price 1,360,000. 2024 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLS. Automatic transmission, diesel. Bagong bago, sariwang sariwa na unit. Okay, punta tayo dito sa katabi. Ang dami rin nagpapahanap nito. MU-X. Balik tayo, search natin dito sa kanilang website. Ayun. Kuya, nandyan daw siya sa labas. Yan, so this is a 2022 Isuzu MU-X. Price niya 1M lang and 50,000 pesos. 3.0 liter LS 4x2 automatic transmission. 44,000 mileage, automatic, white color, non-NCR registered. Pwede installment. 35,000 a month. Poging unit. 4-eyed sensors, rear cameras, rear wipers, mini spoilers, Bridgestone dweller, highway terrain ang tires, stock mugs and tires pa to. Kapal pa ng gulong, oh. Around 90% red life pa. Right side panels, may rain visors, makinis. Left side panels, makinis. Nasa lilim. Ang laki pala ng infotainment system nito. 10-inch infotainment. Unang langhap, mabango rin. Second row seats, third row seats, maayos. Buong buo pa. Ganda ng cambio at manibela. Yan ang engine niya, guys. Laki pala ng 3-liter engine, no? Laki, di ba? Ang layo ng oil dip. Ayan. Ideal levels ang kanyang oil. You can set for an appointment, guys, dito sa kanilang stockyard. And you can browse online yung mga units nila na up for sale. Hindi siya up for bid. Yan. Last look, this is a 2022 Isuzu MU-X, 1,050,000 price, 3.0 liter LS 4x2 automatic transmission, 44,000 mileage, white color, oh, non-NCR registered. Brand new nito, guys, around 1.8 to 2 million pesos. Puntahan pa natin yung ibang magagandang units. Ito, poging-pogi, hindi pala maganda. Pogi. Search tayo online. Tulad niya, no? Search natin online. Ito tayo sa lilim muna. So, searching online. Yan yung MU-X na search natin online. Search natin ngayon ang Raptor. Ayun, oh. Ford Ranger Raptor 1M lang, oh, 2019. Check natin yung plate. NBH check. Yan, details makikita nyo sa Ride Again app. 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor 2.0 liter, 1,050,000 pesos na lang. Automatic transmission, medyo mataas ang mileage pala nito, 181,000. Diesel engine, race red color, NCR registered na yun. Pogi. BF Goodrich, stock tires and mugs. Daming garnish, rain visors, check. BF Goodrich yan, oh, kapal yan. Tagal mapudpud yan, guys. This is around 90% Fred Life. Bedliners, buong buo pa. City driving lang to. 9 out of 10. Naka BF ceramic coating pa, oh. Ford Ranger Raptor. 4-eyed sensor sa rear. Garnish here, garnish there, kompleto. Well pampered and alagang-alaga ng may-ari. Yun, last look. Details on your screen. Makinis na unit, guys. Mataas lang ang mileage. This is a Ford Ranger Raptor. 1,050,000 pesos, 2019, 2-liter, automatic transmission, diesel engine, race red color, NCR registered na. Available for sale also here, guys, at Ride Again. Eto. This is a 2008 Chrysler 300C. 360,000 na lang, oh. Automatic transmission, 2008, 43,000 mileage lang. Automatic transmission. Oh, yung mga ganito, hindi talaga to pinangbabiyahe ng malalayo. Kung forma lang to. ZNJ ang plate na NCR registered. 300. For sale at 360,000 pesos. Wala nang bidding. Pwede pa installment, oh. 12,000 per month for 36 months. Ayan, oh. Grabe, luxury car. Very luxurious. Pati yung front lights, oh, merong sarili ang ano, guys, sprinkler. Pinakaunang sasakyan na may sunroof. Chrome door handles. Ang laki ng gulong nito. Stock mugs and tires pa to, guys, oh. This is R18 225 60 R18 pala to. Chrysler na Chrysler. Around 70% red life ang gulong. Grabe, if you want a luxury car, if you want to go into the wedding industry business, pwede rin to. Running unit daw to, guys. Complete ang documents. This is a 2008 Chrysler 300C. 360,000 pesos lang, guys. Automatic transmission, 43,000 mileage, silver color, non-NCR registered. Yun, open for financing din, no? 12,000 monthly. Dito lang yan sa ating bago na discover na Ride Again. Ito naman, guys, yung Mazda up for sale this week. 2023 Mazda MX-5 2-liter manual transmission. 2023 gasoline engine, red color, NCR registered na unit. Tama bang plate? NHB 2457, correct? Ayan, napaka-poging unit. MX-5, this is a race car level. 2-liter manual transmission, a gasoline engine, 2-seater. Poging-pogi, pambinata to. Red color, parang fiery red. Hindi lang tayo makasingit. Ang sikip dito sa stockyard ng Ride Again. Ayan, race car. Flash ko na lang details on your screens. And of course, you can arrange for a visit here sa kanilang stockyard, sa Ride Again, dito sa Sukat, Parañaque lang. Last look on this 2023 Mazda MX-5 2-liter manual transmission RF, 1,650,000. Gasoline engine, color red, NCR registered na guys. Complete ORCR. At yan na yung price, hindi na kayo magbibid. Yan na yung final price nila. So maraming Montero Sport dito. May mga L300 vans din siya. Pa ba yung magaganda niyang units? Ayun, Toyota Innova. Search ulit tayo. Innova. So this is a 2025 guys, Toyota Innova. Price at 999,000 pesos. No need to bid. This is a 2.8 XE automatic transmission, 39,000 lang mileage, oh. Diesel engine, black, NCR registered na guys. Pero Tacloban Leyte, no? Pero letter N eh. Baka dun lang yung kasa, pero sa Manila siya na register. Pag letter N kasi guys, NCR registered yan. So complete ORCR na to guys. Naka steel rims na may hubcap. Yokohama Blue Earth E70 tires. Stock mugs and tires pa to. Makinis na unit. A shark fin antenna. Meron na rin siyang spoilers. Unang langhap, ang bango. Quezon City Extension Office lang registered yung unit guys. Di Tacloban. Infotainment system, check. Dami na palang mga aircon vents nito guys, oh. Third row seats, never been touched. So ayun, last look. Details flashing on your screens on this Toyota Innova. Unit. Grabe, ang dami nagpapahanap nito. 999,000 pesos na lang. 2025 ito guys. Toyota Innova 2.8 XE automatic transmission. 39,000 lang mileage. Automatic ngayon nasa 1.5 to 1.6 million na, oh. Diesel engine, black color, NCR registered. 999. Tuloy pa natin. May nakita pa akong mga units. Actually guys, nag-cherry pick lang ako ng magagandang units. Pero kung meron kayong gustong Vios, mag-arrange na lang kayo ng appointment. Hyundai H100, L300 vans. Ito, Subaru all-wheel drive. Meron din sila. Teka, check ko lang yung online nila na list. Subaru. Dalawa ang Subaru nila. NAJ. Ito ba yun? Ang kulay ito. 2018 silver. Hindi ito yung silver. Malamang ito yan, isa. Yun. Blue gray metallic. Ito na nga guys. This is the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. Crosstrek, check. Eyesight, ang kinis na unit. 4 eye sensors, rear cameras. This is a Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 liter automatic transmission 2024 gasoline engine, blue gray metallic, NCR registered na for 820,000 pesos lang, oh. Murang mura. Crosstrek na Subaru all-wheel drive. Kapal pa ng gulong. 95% red life. Hindi po kasama yung motor. Roof rails. Tingnan natin kung may bangga sa harap. Wala, oh, makinis. Yung harap, makapal ang gulong. Yun, kung gusto nyo ng sasakyan na kakaiba. Ganda pala ng third row nito, yung compartment area. Second row seats, synthetic leathers. Ang bango din ng loob. Ang laki pala ng infotainment system nito. Ano ba yung binaklas? Yan ang Subaru, guys. Up for bidding. No, up for sale na yan this week. Yan na yung presyo, 820,000 pesos. Dito lang sa Ride Again app. So, puntahan natin yung owner na nandito today. Tanungin natin siya. Ayan guys, yung iba pa, may BRV na white. Uy, marami naghahanap nito. BRV na white. May isa pang BMW doon. Check na natin yung BRV na white. BRV. Yun, mukhang wala pa sa ano nila to, guys. Abangan nyo na lang pag na-post na nila online. Yung mga tito pala natin, may nagpapahanap din itong mga Mitsubishi Adventure. Oo, meron dito guys, Mitsubishi Adventure. Check ko lang ulit. Adventure. Yun, Mitsubishi Adventure, plate number NOV. Hindi, ABT to. Yung isa. ABT. Ayun, ABT. Ayan, no? This is a 2015 Mitsubishi Adventure. 249,000 na lang, guys, oh. GLX, manual transmission, diesel engine, gray color, non-NCR registered. Pwede installment, 8,322 per month. We'll go after this. Then I will go to you.
You can open the doors also. Many cars are open.
Yeah, it's open. Yeah, I was opening some. Ayan si Mr. Ritesh. He owns this place. Ayun. There are signs lang syempre ng wear and tear. Dito pala lagay nila mga susi, oh. Synthetic leather seats. Titong-tito ang may-ari. Pati amoy tito. 2 RFIDs. Kailangan lang ng linis. Pero mukhang maayos pa yung unit. Nipis lang yung gulong. Around 60% red life na. Then konting polish. Kikintab na yan at yan. Pero walang ano guys, oh. Walang bangga, walang gas-gas na major. Kailangan lang linisin. Linis-linis lang. Okay na yan sa mga tito. Hindi ako makapunta dun sa harap guys, eh. Pero walang gas-gas at walang bangga guys. Makinis na unit. Yan. Lilinisin nyo lang. May rain visor. Syempre ganyan mag-alaga ang mga tito. Actually tito ang mga merong gustong gusto ng mga Mitsubishi Adventure na units. Ayan, last look. Details flashing on your screens. Yung nakapaborito ng mga tito na units. 2015 Mitsubishi Adventure, 249,000 na lang guys. GLX, manual transmission, diesel, gray color, non-NCR registered, pero complete documents yan. Pwede rin mag-installment. Estimate nila dito as 8,322 per month installment. Okay. Then puntahan natin ang owner nitong Ride Again, si Mr. Ritish. Hi, Mr. Ritish. Mabuti. We visited your place today and you have lots of cars here. All of these are for cash purchase, right? No need to bid.
There is no need to bid. You can get financing also with us.
Yeah, I
Everything is
saw
available.
some units. There is an installment rate below the app.
Yeah, on the website you can check all cars are available with financing. There is no problem.
Okay.
Anything, and we have two type of financing. It's not just for end customers. We also have for car dealers also. There's the inventory financing also.
Even if they buy a brand new car.
No, as a dealer, if you want to buy inventory for a lot,
Okay.
the dealer can also get inventory financing.
Okay.
Not just financing for the end consumer. So we are
Okay.
solving problem for all of
So
them.
if I want to be a dealer, I
Yeah.
can.
Yes, of
So
course.
if I want to buy 2 or 3 cars
You
and
can buy 10
do
cars.
buy and sell business of cars in my province, I can.
Yes, you can get the financing for that as well.
Okay. So what banks are these affiliated?
So we have our own financing firm, which
Mm.
is called Finso. So it's a big group, Car Dekho group, under which we have Ride Again, Finso, and other units as well. So in this, you will be able to get financing from our side. Plus, this is a unit. We are solving a repo car problem in this. So we have our own repo. Plus, we buy from banks in bulk lots, and we distribute in the market.
Nice. So for example, this price of the Mitsubishi Adventure I found on your Ride Again app, it's before 275,000 pesos. Now it's 249,000 pesos. I can still come here and check it and negotiate this
Of
price.
course. So, price negotiation depends if you're buying in a bulk lot. But
Okay.
if you are buying as an individual unit, then it's not really possible to negotiate a lot on this.
So this
But
is
if-
the final price.
Yes, for a retail buyer, this is the final price. But if somebody comes in bulk and suppose want to buy 20 units, there are officially available discounts for bulk buying in lots.
For installment buyers, what are the requirements you usually ask?
So these are same requirements like
As the bank.
as like bank, but your financing rate can depend on based on your profile and the kind of vehicle we decided to have.
Okay, good. So they can set an appointment or just call the number on your website to visit
Yes.
the place, right?
So you can schedule your appointment directly from the website itself. There is an offer to make a schedule. You can also put an offer directly from the website, make an offer and put your details there. And you can put Tito Rich as a reference so that you will get also recognition for the same in the references.
Okay.
And furthermore, they can schedule visit, come anytime. So we are available from Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, sir. You can invite them to visit the app.
Oh, please visit rideagain.ph. rideagain.ph is our website. You can see there are 39 cars on the flash sale. So you will find Everest 2018 at 300k also. So
Okay.
those type of prices are there. So like
And you have many BMW cars
we
also.
have- I think you have seen this BMW. We have 2018
Yeah.
M5 series with us.
This I don't see often on Reposes
Of
stockyards.
course, it is also, we have very specific kind of deal, and that BMW is 1.65 million only. Market
Yeah.
price, you can just buy and sell it for 2 million as well.
Yeah, right. Okay, that's it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, great. I hope you got a lot of content from us.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.